Are you seeking for micro jobs to help you generate money online with your spare time? You've come to the correct place. Micro jobs are the finest method to get financial freedom, which is the best medicine for your mind. Who doesn't like to work for themselves according to their interests and schedule while earning additional money? No one, right? But finding legitimate jobs is very crucial to stay away from any kind of spam or fraud. No worries, in this post I will be sharing trustworthy websites that offer micro jobs to make money online. So let's get started. What is micro jobs? Micro jobs are the small jobs for which you could be getting paid for. Micro jobs are tiny activities or pieces of a larger project that may be completed by anyone and for which they will be paid a reasonable amount of money. Micro jobs are all about earning money online by autonomously performing tiny tasks. When it comes to online micro jobs, they allow you complete flexibility because there is no long-term commitment and you are not required to travel. Unlike conventional employment, where you must have a certain qualification, micro jobs do not require any official qualifications. All you need is computer system with an internet connection. Examples: content writing, graphic designing, logo designing, social media marketing, accounting, and so on. Benefits of outsourcing micro jobs for organizations. 1. Optimize efficiency. Outsourcing simple and repetitive tasks leads to higher efficiency because internal staff can focus on higher level activities. 2. Increase flexibility. With 24/7 access to a global on-demand workforce, organizations do not need to bother about scale up or down, as their work gets done easily and quickly when they need it. 3. Reduced cost. No more overhead cost associated with hiring and managing the temporary workforce. Now I am going to show you top 5 legitimate websites for doing micro jobs. 1. Clickworker. Clickworker has been around since 2005, and they employ over 700,000 active workers from 136 countries. This site is open to anybody from anywhere in the globe who is interested in writing, translation, research, or data collection. As a Clickworker, you work independently, set your own working hours, and pick the projects you want to work on. Simple activities like photo classification and question categorization do not need any professional credentials, therefore anybody may perform them. You must demonstrate your certification by taking exams for various tasks that need specific abilities. In addition to many other platforms, you may now do Pollfish, AdSend, and Peanut Labs surveys there. Withdrawal methods. PayPal payment are processed every week from Wednesdays to Fridays. Minimum withdrawal amount, $5. 2. Microworkers. Microworkers is my favorite micro jobs site since it accounts for the majority of my earnings. Wapsides owns Microworkers, a crowdsourcing platform with over 700,000 workers globally. Employers may use the Microworkers template to build a professional-looking campaign. Microworkers' sole and biggest flaw is their address verification method for the initial withdrawal. Following your registration, you will be presented with a variety of jobs from which to pick that best match your talents. Example: search and click, sign up, like a Facebook page, or download an Android app are some instances of tasks. Payment is sent twice a week. Payment methods: PayPal, Dwala and Moneybookers, Skrill, bank transfer via TransPay. Minimum withdrawal amount, $9 and fees. 3. Upwork. It's a platform where businesses and professionals meet and collaborate. 9 million users are registered with this site and 4 million clients posting 3 million jobs annually. If you got a skill like designing, web and mobile developing, writing and marketing and more, you can join Upwork and can earn huge money. Payment methods: Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, direct deposit, and wire transfer. 4. Workers. The website is not very old, yet it is still paying its employees. Microworkers and Rapid Workers have a similar interface. Employers submit jobs for you to complete, and you earn money for accomplishing them. I'm not sure how it will fare in the future, but it has all the makings of an excellent crowdsourcing platform. A withdrawal request takes around 10 days to be processed. It's worth noting that simply signing up and earns you $2, which you can only use to publish your own jobs. Payment options: PayPal, Amazon gift card, Payza, Skrill, cryptocurrency, paysafecard.com, and US bank check. Minimum withdrawal amount, $5. 5. Rapid Workers. Unix Scripts, Inc. provides Rapid Workers as a service. Their website is quite similar to Microworkers, with virtually identical functionality and a comparable user experience. However, it is not as professional looking and lacks several key features. At Rapid Workers, there are two types of people: employers and employees. See the image above. The task is available to all the international members and will take about 3 minutes to be completed. The worker will get 10 cents if complete the task in acceptable manner. You can place a withdrawal request if your balance is over $8 plus 6% fees. It takes less than 7 days to process a withdrawal request. Payment methods: PayPal and Payza. Minimum withdrawal amount, $8 and fees. These are some of the nice micro job sites I'm presently using to supplement my income. It's simple to get started and multiply your revenue with these sites. You should join such websites since you may do your work from the comfort of your own home. Micro job sites can be a great place for you to use your skills and can help you becoming more productive. Give a try to these sites and let us know about your experience. You can also share information about other micro jobs platform you are using through comments. If you like this video, please consider subscribe. Otherwise, see you next time.